everybody. I am Professor Wang. I have been at USD since 2010, so I teach all kinds of chemistry courses, including inorganic chemistry, environmental chemistry. I also supervise undergrad, graduate, and postdoctoral researchers to conduct state-of-the-art research in materials chemistry, particularly designing nanoporous materials and their applications in environmental, biomedicine, and sustainability applications. So this is one of the newly renovated chemical field hoods where students can conduct chemical reactions with a safe and controlled environment. The air circulation and the chemical flows will be safely and strictly regulated. So the lab also comes in with the safety equipment such as safety shower, ice station, in case incidents happens. Well, this can help remove the safety hazards. So this new chemistry labs provide a safe and state-of-the-art environment for students to conduct frontier chemistry, biochemistry research. Compared to the old labs, this is clean, organized, and safe. And it also provides a space where students can more closely interact with professors, with other fellow students in an engaging and safe manner.
I'm Stephen Harmon. I'm a sophomore here at USD, and I'm a biochemistry major. So these new labs in Churchill, I do undergraduate research here at USD, and there's a lot of different labs here in the chemistry department that do research and have opportunities for undergrads to do research here. And these labs will definitely be a big upgrade and be really, really neat for us as undergraduates to come here and do research and be able to explore different topics here at USD. Chemistry here at USD, the USD chemistry department is super awesome. There's so many different opportunities for undergrads or for even grad students just to do research here, to perform research here. These new labs are great. They just are going to open up a bunch of new doors for application here in the chemistry department for just undergraduates, graduate students, for principal investigators, just for us to do the best research we can do here at USD.
So my name is Haoran Sun. I'm a chemistry professor here at USD. And while I have been working at USD for 18 years. So the new lab will provide opportunity for our students to do research in the lab, and this is a very important opportunity for them to learn real-world experience to solve the real-world problems, and that will help them build up strong skills for their future career, what will they do next step. The new lab will also provide opportunity for conduct research involves air conditioning technology, which the chemistry involves in the refrigeration technology. So we have lately found federal funding support. The work is supported by the National Science Foundation through the Engineering Research Central program. And the program we involved is called EARTH. It's Environmental Applied Refrigeration Technology Hub. We are working on solving the real-world problem to provide more energy efficient and cooling system.